everyone, this is my next video. Today I am going to explain Leetcode question number 3, longest substring without repeating characters. Given a string is, find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. The given a string is, we need to find the longest substring not repeating characters, means it should be a unique substring. In example 1, what they given, s equals to abc, abc, bb, and the output is 3. So you can observe ABC is a one-stem string, which is a long substring and it is a unique substring. So it is size is 3, we are returning 3. In example 2, the S consists of B, 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 B. And the longest substring we need to find and it should be unique. It is a B and it is a unique and it is a 1. In the example 3, pwwkew, they given on string. We need to find the substring which is unique. You can take kew. It is a one substring which is unique with the size is 3. Let's briefly understand in the whiteboard. Let's take first example. Consists of ABC, ABC, BB. Okay, it is a one string. We need to find the longest substring with a unique. It should be not repeating character. We can take ABC or we can take BCA or we can take CAB where the size is 3. So we are returning 3. In example 2, what they given BBBB. We need to find the longest substring with unique. We can take only one which is unique. Rest all are repeating. So we will not take. In third example, they given bwwkew, where kew is a unique substring with the size is 3. We can't take pkew. It will become subsequence, not substring. Okay. Now I will show the logic what I am using. I will go with first example. Here my right will be pointing to 0 and my left will be also pointing to 0 starting. And I will take one variable answer to store the size of the maximum I will store. Starting it will be 0. Okay. Now I will take here one substring. Starting substring value will be A. Okay. Now there I will take one set. Here A is present, not present. Just I will insert with the size 1. Now my left will be pointing to B. I will my AB, which is where B is not present. Just I will insert with the size 2. Now my left will be pointing to C. Now my substring will be ABC, which is unique. C is not present. Just I will insert C with the size 3. Now my left will be pointing to A. Now my substring will be ABCA, which is not unique because A is already present. If it is repeating means just I will pop out of this from set and I will increment my right pointer. My right will be now 1 and A will be popped out. Now BCA. Now I will insert A, which is unique. Now my left will be pointing to B. My substring will be now BCAB. Okay, which is not unique. We need to pop out of the B. Now my right will be incremented to 2, means my right will be incremented to C. We are popping out of this B. Now we are inserting this B. Yeah, which are unique. Now my left will be pointing to C. Now my substring consists of C, A, B, C, which is not unique because C is presenting here 2 times. So we need to pop out of the C. We are popping and now our right is pointing to A. Now our set is A, B, we are inserting this C, which is unique. So my left will be pointing to B now. Now now our substring is ABCB, where B is already present. Okay, so first we need to pop out of this B. Before we need to pop out of A. We are popping out of A. Now our right will be pointing to B. Now we are popping the B. Now our right will be pointing to C. Okay. Now our substring is CB, which is unique. So now our left will be pointing to 8. Okay. Now substring will be CBB, which is not, it is not unique. So we are popping out of this B. Before that, we need to pop out of this C. So my right will be pointing to B. After we are popping out of this B, my right will be pointing to this B now. Okay. Now we came that we reached until the last index. We need to iterate. After we reaching the last, we will come out of this loop. Our answer what they came, that just we are returning. Our answer is 3, we are returning. This is the logic of this code. Let's we can enter into the coding part now. Here the function takes an yes as an input and returns an integer. We are declared a set to store the character in the current substring. After that, we declare 3 variables: answer, left, right. Here answer will store initialize it to 0, left is initialized to 0, and right is initialized to 0. Here answer will store the longest substring, and L is represented to the left side of the window and R is represented to the right side of the window. Here while loop will continue until end of string S is reached. Here IT is used to store the result of to find the current character in the left side of the set. Okay. If the current character not found in the set, then this condition will be work. If it is found, then else will be work. Okay. What I am doing, if the current character not found in the set, I will be just add all the values in the answer. Just I will update answer. I will insert the current character. After that, I will increment my left pointer. If the current character is present in the set, then else will be work. Just I will pop out of the current character. I will increment my right pointer. After completing of the all the elements, once it reaches to the end of the character, we will returning the answer with the integer. Okay. Now I will show with the third example, dry run. See what they given? They given pwwkew. Okay. Starting our answer will store 0. Here my left and right are pointing to 0. My left is pointing to 0 and my R is pointing to 0. It will work up to 0 is less than, here how many letters are there? How many characters? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 6. Okay. Until it will reach up to 6. Okay. Now it starts to iterate. Okay. First, what will happen? I will take one substring starting P. I will see in my set. P is present. It is not present. Just I will insert with the size 1 will become. After my left will be incremented to 1. Okay. Now PW. It is PW which is unique. Now we will insert W with the size 2. Okay. Now my left will be pointing to this W. Now PWW, which is not unique, which is repeated. Then we need to pop out of this P. Before that, we need to pop out of this P. After that, this W. Okay. Now my set consists of only this W. Okay. Now my left is pointing to K. W K. Where K is not there, just we are inserting with the size 3. Okay. Now my left will be pointing to E. Now my substring consists of WKE, where E is not present. So we are inserting WKE. Okay. Now we are now our left is pointing to this W. Okay. Now our substring will be WKEW, which is repeating. It is not unique. We need to pop out of this W. We are popping out of this W. Now our right value will be incremented by 1. Now we come reach to the last character. Now we'll come out of this while loop. We are returning answer. Our answer is 3. We are returning 3. You can see. Let's discuss the time complexity. Now we can discuss the time complexity and space complexity of this logic. The time complexity is taking big of n. Here where n is the length of the input string and we are using while loop. It will iterate all the characters once. So the space complexity is taking big of 62. we are in constant they given English characters and digits. Here English characters means the 26 capital and 26 small letters, total 52, and their digits means it will come 10, total 62. In the rest case, it is stating space complexity of big of 62. Thank you guys for watching my video.